Today I'm at the Vicentina coast. Take note of your controller configuration to make the most of this tutorial. Today we will film at 3 different locations. The first place is called Scenes, where we will focus mainly on the castle of the city and its surroundings. And after that we will head to Peachtree Island and Odyssey, where we will capture some shots of the island and of a very beautiful windmill that is at the very top of the village of Odyssey. So let's just get started. For our first shot, we will pass very close to the bell tower of the church in front of us by moving forward and up while tilting the gimbal down. Okay, let's now turn around and capture the view from the castle by moving left and rotating right. I want to complete all of the shots I have planned for the castle with one battery, so I will not waste too much time with certain shots, including this one. Let's just frame the shot a little better. Perfect. That is enough. Let's now turn the other direction and capture that side of the city by moving right and tilting the camera up. Next, let's get down and capture the avenue by moving in front and down while tilting the camera up. Perfect. Let's now slow down a little and focus on the castle again. For the next shot, I want to capture the castle in such a way that it appears as if we are trying to peek inside the castle. For that, we are going to start from a position from where we can see the inside of the castle, and then slowly move into a position from where we can see the inside of the castle. And we are going to accomplish this by moving right and up while rotating left and tilting the camera down. Not bad. Let's now do a variation of this shot, where at the end we also reveal the city around the castle. For that, we are going to move right and up while rotating left and tilting the camera down. And halfway through, we stop the tilting of the camera, while we maintain all the other movements and shift our focus from the castle to the city. Before we move to our second location, let's also capture this mosaic by the beach and slowly reveal the beach by moving up and tilting the camera up. We are now at our second location, from where we will capture a shot of Peachtree Island. When we have a beautiful landscape like this one, we don't have to overcomplicate things. So we are going to keep it simple for this one and just move in front and up. We now arrived at our third and final destination to capture the beautiful sunset behind this windmill. For this shot, we are going to rotate around the windmill by moving left and back, while rotating right and moving up, while at the same time tilting the camera down. And once we are facing the sunset, we invert the gimbal movement to reveal the beautiful sunset. Okay, that was the difficult version. There's also an easier variation of the shot, and it goes like this. First, you create an orbit by moving left and rotating right, and once we are facing the sunset, add an upward gimbal tilt. And that was it for today. Click this video next to see the end result of this tutorial.